Are you? Are you okay?
Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back. We're fishing a big derby today, me and Sam. 80 boat tournament on Lake Minnetonka. We're about to take off. Let's go.
Steal by Luke Loy on the outlet pass. Luke for three. It's up and good.
All right, let's get it. We're out here, Sam. Let's go. Spot number one. Starting with the trusty North Star Custom Baits Twerk Chatterbait.
New jig heads, so
Sam, I got one. There's one. Yep. Net. Okay, there's one. Keeper number one, boys. Okay, we're on the board.
All right. You want to measure that?
Chatterbait. Yep. Yep, little guy.
Try measuring him.
This one's small too.
He's kind of long.
We're not dealing with little guys. Another little guy. Oh. Damn. There's a good one, Sam. Yeah, big one. Oh my God. That was a huge fish. That was a 4-pounder. Oh my God. That was a huge one, Sam.
Is that on video?
Yep. Sam, that was big. That was really big. Oh, that hurts. Okay, guys. That's going to be hard to forget about, but we're going to try to have to forget about it. Oh, Sam. That was big. That was very big. There's one, big one, Sam. Sam. Ah, frick.
Should I still net it?
Yeah. Let him go. Wrong kind. I'd like to get something out of this bay before we leave it. A couple keepers, maybe. Got him? Yep. Keep him tight, keep him tight, keep him tight. Good one? Keep him tight, just keep him tight. Okay, all right, measure him. It's probably not a keeper, but take it. There's one.
Good one?
I don't know. Another one. Ah, God. I don't know. Well, how big was that one?
I didn't see it.
I didn't either. It wasn't big. All right. Well, another one lost. They're biting today. We got to catch a lot, or we're not going to have a chance.
Yeah.
They are biting today. I just tell you. There's a good one, Sam. Drop your rod. Drop your rod. Drop your rod. Oh, okay. Okay, there's one keeper. There's one keeper. We got one. We got one. Okay. Okay, guys, we got one. There we go. Okay, let's go. We gotta go back up to that spot.
All right guys, we have 3 keepers so far. We're going to the next spot. I've been absolutely terrible so far. Missed one big one right away. How about you, small brain?
I missed a good one under a dock,
and I caught one.
All right, let's get to it, boy. Got one. Yeah. I don't know how big it is, but yeah. Okay.
Oh my god.
What?
There's a giant monkey behind mine. Look at that. Look at that.
Catch him. Figure eight. Start figure eighting. Start figure eight. I'm gonna get my glide. Where? Where is he? He's out here somewhere?
Yeah.
Dude, what if I hook him on this?
I'll give it that. Dude, he was just following it in. I was like, I couldn't tell.
That's probably why we freaking can't get a bite anymore. That thing was huge.
That was probably like a 40-incher.
Probably not good for the bass. I wouldn't want to be hanging around that. Plan C. A lot of weeds in here.
I think it's
Good one, Sam. Oh my freaking, oh, that's just so painful.
that kind of looked like a giant.
That was a good one too. Oh, that hurts again. Once again, I lost at least 2, maybe 3 keepers. Should probably have our limit right now. Not ideal execution. Time to get hurt again, boys. There's a huge carp under that dock, see it? 6-pounder. Okay, last dock. How are the fish doing? Looking good, nice and small in there?
No, we got 2 of them.
Got a bunch of dinks in there.
We got like 5 pounds.
Good one, Sam.
Actually,
Yep. Oh, that's a big one. Come on. Stay hooked, stay hooked, stay hooked. Please, 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 please. Sam. Oh my. How big is that?
that's an 18-incher.
Okay. Let's go. Okay, put him on the big side. Let's catch more. Oh, if we would have lost that one, I might have cried. Okay, if we can get more like that, we'll be in business. Is that a 3-pounder?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think it's big.
All right, we need like, if we have 4 more like that, we're in the money. We just lost a few nice ones.
Yeah.
That's our problem right now. Big one, Sam. Sam, really big one.
Like really good.
Yeah, like huge. Like if this is a carp, oh my God, this could be a 5-pounder, dude. Dude. Huge. Sam, if he jumps again, you gotta get him, okay?
I will.
Here he comes. Here he comes. Smalley.
Smalley.
Oh my God.
Smalley.
Oh my God, Sam.
Wait, I don't know
Minnetonka.
if Smalleys are allowed.
Minnetonka Smalley, baby. All right, get us away from the dock. Like, get us way out, okay? Oh, Minnetonka Smalley, let's go. I thought that was like gonna be like a 5-pounder.
All right, we have 3 decent ones and we got to get rid of 2 more. We lost a couple nice ones, but we're starting to put things together. Let's go.
All right, we're gonna catch a big one under here, all right? Get one on the end by the ladder. I never got one over there.
Alright. Oh, my one.
Good one, Sam. Oh my. You got it. Oh my God, another big one lost. That was another 3-pounder.
Dude, I've caught 2 fish.
It doesn't matter, I've lost so many fish. How many nice fish am I gonna hook today that am I just gonna lose? All right, we're gonna go back to, dude, push off.
Oh, shit.
Are you? Are you okay? Dude! Did you have your phone in your pocket? No. You had nothing in your pocket? Nothing. Did anything hit the dock?
No.
Did you
Save the prop.
Did you hit
Dad.
the Did you hit the prop with your legs?
No,
Just fell in the lake. Oh my. I hope I got that on video.
Is it on?
I think so. Like, you're kind of cold, aren't you?
Oh, bro, I think I got it on again.
Good one. Sam.
Oh, actually?
Yeah. Ah, little. Not a keeper. How did I cannot believe you fell in. You should have seen your face when you were sitting in the water.
I know. I thought I could touch
A little update here. So the back of the boat was about to hit a dock, and I was trying to push off, and I fell in the water, and we're in a tournament right now. Like, I literally fell in the water. Look at it. The whole deck is soaked. My pants are soaked. I don't know if you can see it, but.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, keep her. Stay down. Yep.
No, keeper.
No, that was a good one. Yeah, it's another fish. Lost. Casually lost by Luke Lowy. Just no big deal, just lose it. Just let it come off. Look at this carp right here. Massive carp.
Giant.
Ferda.
Giant?
Not a keeper.
Oh, why can't I just catch a freaking...
No.
Tiny.
Really? A freaking bluegill?
Bluegill. What's the problem?
Good one, Sam. Yeah. Keeper.
Is this another like baby?
No, this one's actually a keeper. Okay. Put it, take him.
That basically cool.
Throw out the tiny one.
No, we gotta throw out the...
No, throw out the tiny one first. We should have a lot more. We have like 2 decent keepers. And then we have 3 14-inchers. Because I don't know how big it was. Yeah, it'll help.
I can't get the net.
That'll help us.
It'll be close.
No, it'll help. This is exactly like the spot that we found with your dad.
That is false information.
You say, why is it so cold? Well, maybe because you fell in the lake. I'm just guessing, but maybe. Just cross. Yes. Big one, Sam. Sam, get the net.
Like actually?
Mother came off. I'm gonna quit. This is just terrible. If anyone's still watching this video, just know that I'm the worst fisherman in the history of the world. What's up? Not great. Yeah. Girl. Yeah. Nothing. We got all soaker over here.
I actually fell in. I was soaked for like 3 hours.
Hey, way to take one for the team.
But TikTok, seriously? Get off of TikTok. Little hole right here, my boys. Oh, guys, what a tough day. Not ideal fishing. I mean, we had the right bites, but the execution was terrible by me. Strictly by me. I could not keep a good fish hooked. Literally, except for one. Sam fell in the water. Would have been cool if we would have caught that muskie.
Oh, especially on your glide. Actually, no, I should have caught it. I've never caught a muskie before.
Well, that would have been a good one to start with. I think it was huge. What if we just clutch up 2 5-pounders into this dock? It'd be a top 10 if we had 2 5-pounders.
Yeah, maybe.
Like legit 5-pounders. That means we'd have 13 pounds with 3 fish. We'd have about 16 pounds probably.
All right, guys, that's it for fishing today. Very tough day. Lost way too many fish. Have a very average bag, but we're gonna go see what we have, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, we just got back to where we launched from this morning. Today was kind of a tough day for our team. We ended up with like right at about 10 pounds, which is nothing special out here. As you saw in the video, we hooked some of the right fish, but they just jumped off, so that's just how it goes sometimes. It was one of those days. Sam survived a fall into Lake Minnetonka, which I hope was on video. That was hilarious. My Uncle John and Jeff, they did pretty good. They had like 13.5 pounds. We were close. Had the right bites, just couldn't capitalize. So hope you guys enjoyed this video of a little fall fishing and fall derby on Lake Minnetonka. Thank you to anyone who put on this tournament that may be watching. And thanks to you guys for tuning in. Appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed if you're new. But that's it for me today. Talk to you guys later. Peace out.